The Fantastic World of Thomas, Episode 5, Gordon's Fossils. Gordon was chuffing down the line one day with some important. It had been raining the past 50 days on. Was a mess of engines. But Gordon hadn't been damaged. He had sat in his shed as Topham had told him. Because he sat in his shed and all the other engines didn't, he was given this important job to bring these fossils to the prison. But someone wanted them too. I'm gonna move the prison here, so he'll need to pass here. When Diesel had finished putting the big prison by Gordon's Hill, he rolled away. And Gordon just chuffed all the way to his hill. And then there was trouble. He flied up the line and caused a big mess. And Diesel 10 had some more fun. When Diesel 10 had took all the gems and dinosaur fossils, he oiled away. And Diesel 10 wanted nobody to find the fossils and gems, so he started hiding. Diesel 10 hid them in a mine. But there was an old engine inside called Stephen, and he had found the gems. With a heave and a hum, Stephen climbed up the hill. "No!" said Diesel 10. "No, don't take that. That's mine." Too far away to see him. "Oh," said Diesel 10. "So long." "Wow," said Stephen. It had really had a storm. When he was climbing the hill, he could see the Topham Hatt by the station. The Topham Hatt, can I drop off these fossils here? Sure, I'll deliver them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.